Quick video just to show how to connect the DJI Mic 2 to your phone just using an app. Go to the App Store and download Rode Reporter, R-O-D-E. When that opens up, it says it's using the internal microphone, but we need it to use an external microphone. Turn on DJI Mic 2. It's got a blue light, solid blue light, no other lights on it. Now it's connected. When that sound bar comes up on the side, you know it's connected. Let's press record. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. You can see when I tap, testing. Let's end it. Go to your library, get the recording, press play. It won't play because this is still switched on. Disconnect this, press play. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. You can see when I tap, testing. That's it. So that works. Easy to save. It's got the time, 1 minute past 9, today's date. Save. Go to your files, 1 minute past 9. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. As you can see when I tap, it works. Testing. So remember, you only need the blue light. You don't need a red record light. It works on its own.